Dear students, in my last session, we were talking about the functions of entrepreneur, where we discussed about planning function, risk and uncertainty bearing function, organization building function, and managing function. Now let's talk about the further functions of entrepreneur. The next function, which is the fifth function of entrepreneur, is decision making. There is an author called H. Cole. He has described that entrepreneur as a decision maker. He takes various decisions regarding following, like various matters. Uh, every entrepreneur has to take decisions on the certain matters. What are these matters? Number one, determination of goals and objectives of the enterprise. Every entrepreneur has to determine the certain goals and objectives of the enterprise of an organization. Second, he has to procure the machine, material, man, money and knowledge also. क्योंकि in every organization, whatever organization you wants to run, you have decided your objective, but you have to procure the requirement of various resources. And the resources, what are these various resources? Are machines, material, men, money and knowledge. Third, entrepreneur has to acquire the latest technology and equipments. See, it is very important because we want to be a innovator in the market. We want to introduce different or unique thing in the market. So there should be a latest technology and equipment has to be involved in the production process. Entrepreneur also needs to introduce of new products and method of production. So we have to think upon about the new products. Also we need to think about the method of production, because the way of we are producing the product, that way, that process, it also has to be unique or different, which the other organization is doing. Next decision which an entrepreneur has to take is related with the development of market and sales strategies. So you have to develop the market. Developing the market involves the marketing management functions, and also entrepreneur has to think upon the sales strategy, because there has to be certain numbers. You ultimately, every organization, you need to earn profits. So from where the profits come? Profit will come from the sales. So you need to understand the various aggressive strategies about, so that you can push up the maximum sales in the market. Next is maintenance of public relations and social obligation. Entrepreneur has to always maintain a public relation, which is very important, whether it is related with your customer or not. You need to understand the public. You need to build up this a good relation with the public. That is called the PR strategies, if you ever heard about it in any news channel or in any magazines, newspaper also. So company has to build up the PR, that is public relation. And company also has to involve himself in some social obligations. You can see various examples, like many companies, many organization, big entrepreneur, they are associated with the some NGOs. Even some organization themselves opened their own NGOs. So that counts under the social obligation of an organization. These are the certain decisions which an entrepreneur has to think upon. So this is the decision making function. Next function is innovation. It is very important function of an entrepreneur, because by performing it, he brings a dynamic change in the economy. He also introduces new combination in every area of economic activity. So innovation implies, what innovation is? Innovation implies doing new things. So anything which is new in the market, it will count under the innovation. So it can be done through various forms, like launching a new product in the market, also introduction of a new method of production, which we discussed earlier. Also, it can also be done through opening of a new market. You can, you can establish a new market itself. You can also discover of new and better source of raw material. Also, you can do is new form of organization of industry. In the same industry, you build up the different or unique kind of the organization. So this was the innovation function, which was the sixth function of entrepreneur. Next function is leading function. Leading function is what? Leading function is basically deals with the leadership. Every entrepreneur has to take a role of a leader, because he must assume himself the visionary leadership. So entrepreneurs leading function is drawing the best out of the other individuals. So he must create teamwork among employees. So as a leader, entrepreneur must shift from the traditional command and control style to a coach and collaboration style. He has to, forget about the traditional way for leading. He has to adopt the latest style, which is called the coach and collaboration style. So this will be discussed in my upcoming session, because this it is the separate chapter of your syllabus. Next function is managing growth. Managing growth means entrepreneur must manage the enterprise growth. Every entrepreneur has to focus upon how I can grow my enterprise. So it can be included like some certain activities, such as developing and designing the growth strategy, dealing with the crisis, because everywhere there is, uh, every time you will find a certain kind of crisis. So you have to deal with the crisis, whether it is a crisis related with the finance, it is crisis related with your labor, crisis will related with your customers. So also he has to explore the various avenues for financial growth, and also placing a value of the venture. Apart from these functions, like this was the eighth function of entrepreneur, which is called managing growth. So apart from this eight functions of management of entrepreneur, there are other functions also. Like there is an author named Peter Kilby. He has listed like miscellaneous functions of an entrepreneur. So let's talk about one by one about the miscellaneous function of entrepreneur in short. Like perceiving market opportunity, he should perceive in advance the future marketing opportunities. Gaining command over scarce resources, you will always find scarcity of resources, so you should have a command to overcome from such situations. Purchasing inputs, marketing the products, whatever the product you have developed, you need to market them also in a proper way. You should deal with the bureaucrats, managing human relations with the firm, managing customer and supplier relations, managing finance, managing production, acquiring and overseeing assembly of the factory, industry engineering, upgrading process and product, introducing new production techniques and products, capital formation, technological breakthrough, and market expansion. So these were the miscellaneous functions of an entrepreneur, which I have just named or listed down. Otherwise, there are the eight main functions which entrepreneur has to perform, and I repeat the all eight points again. Number one, planning. Second, risk and uncertainty bearing. Third is organization building. Fourth, managing. Fifth, decision making. Sixth, innovation. And seventh is leading, and eighth is the managing growth. Now, in my next session, we will talk about the other part of the entrepreneurial management. That's it for today. Thank you.